Anything thin will fit within the thicker tin. Welcome to Broken English on Fluent American, where we take a look at one sound in American English pronunciation and study how to pronounce it by taking a look at spelling, word pairs, and practice sentences. My name is Geoff, and today we're taking a look at the voiceless TH sound, or th, like in thin, thin. Now, to make the th sound, like in thin, the tip of your tongue, right there, is going to go a little bit past your top tooth. It's almost like you're biting your tongue slightly. Th. You should be able to see your tongue in between your teeth. Th. So again, top tooth right behind the tip of your tongue. Thin. Let's take a look at some practice words with this sound based on the initial, middle, and final positions. Thin, thick, thank, through, thumb. Thankfully, I thought his thumb was thicker. Thankfully, I thought his thumb was thicker. Anything, without, healthy, panther, athlete. A healthy athlete was found without a panther. A healthy athlete was found without a panther. Math, both, 60th, fourth. I followed both the 4th and 60th paths. I followed both the 4th and 60th paths. Now let's compare the th sound of thin and the s sound of sin. Thin, sin. Fourth, force. Fourth, force. Thick, sick. Think, sink. Sink. Tenth, tense. I think the 4th force is too sick and thin. I think the 4th force is too sick and thin. Let's take a look now at some word pairs with the voiceless TH sound. I'll say each twice. Think thoughts. Thread through. Thumping thumbs. Without wealth. Thick thistles. 60th birthday. Here are some practice sentences now for the TH sound. First sentence. I'm thankful the 4th sink was thick enough. The 4th sink was thick enough. I'm thankful. I'm thankful the 4th sink was thick enough. Second sentence. Anything thin will fit within a thicker tin. Thicker tin. Anything. anything within, anything thin, within. Anything thin will fit within a thicker tin. Last sentence. Thread through the thread with your thumb. Thumb. Thread through the thread. Thread through the thread with your thumb. That concludes our time today on the voiceless TH sound, like in thin, thin. For more information on this and other sounds in American English pronunciation, please be sure to visit our website at fluentamerican.com and also subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updates on the latest videos. We'll see you in our next one. Take care.